Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily add any effect on your photos in Instagram story. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes. Also write comments after watching this video and subscribe to this channel. So let us get started with you friends. And please open up Instagram on your device. Now you will need to go to create a story. Next, on the bottom left, click right here so you can go to your gallery and select any photo you want. Now that you have selected a photo, you will need to go to your effects selection. On the top right, click on this sign with these 3 stars on it. And that will take you to the effects. And to see how the effect will look on your photo, just click on it. And as you can see, immediately the effect is applied to the photo. But I'll tell you right away, you can apply either the effects that you've saved in advance, let's say on your Instagram camera, or they will be the most popular effects, the most basic ones for Instagram. So, unfortunately, you won't be able to find the effect that you want in this way. But I will tell you that here, as you can see, there are so many of these different effects. So you can choose something that you like. I think you'll find one of these effects here. Next, to apply it, at the top, click Done. And now you can expose your story. To do that, click on your story to expose it. That's how you can add an effect to your Instagram photo and story in such a very simple way. I hope this video was useful and helpful to you friends. Please put your likes, write comments under this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.